Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean all the junk and cache files on your Windows PC. So let's get started. So here we are in our Windows PC, and now from here what we're gonna do is first we're gonna go into our start menu, and then from here type run, and we're gonna go click the run app and run the run app. And now from here what we're gonna do first is type in prefetch, and we're gonna go click here and click OK. And once you're done, you can click on continue. Once you are asked if you need some administrative privileges, then all you have to do is delete all of this. Don't worry, all of this is safe to delete right here. And as you can see, there are some files that you can delete, so just click on skip for all of them and you'll be fine. And just like that, I have cleaned my junk right there. And then the next thing is we're gonna do the same run. Click on the run app right here, and this time we're gonna type in temp %temp%, and then click on OK. And after that, we're gonna delete all of this again, delete, and then some of it will not be deleted, so let's just keep it. As you can see, it's really big. It's 2.5 gig. I think it's gonna go for 2.5. It's now in 3 gig, or yeah, it's gonna go up more, because it's been a while since I have cleaned this folder right here, my temporary files. And as you can see right here, it's really a lot right here, so it would depend on the amount that you would be cleaning right here, so it might take some time right here. So while this is loading, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna proceed right here. As you can see, some will not be deleted, and it's fine, you just have to skip it. And now it's completing it. It's not deleting all of it right here. It has now finished scanning. And while it's loading, then let's proceed to the next step, which is simply the same steps really. Go into start menu, go into run, and click the run app. And then this time we're gonna type in temp right here without the %. Click OK, and it's gonna open up this folder right here. And basically we just need to delete this again, all of this right here. So select all of this by clicking on Control A right there, right click, and then click on delete. And after that, it's also gonna delete this, and we're just gonna skip this right here for everything that can be deleted right there. And now it's been deleted right here, and this one is still not finished because it's really big right there. And we're just gonna skip it right here, and let's just wait for it right here. Let's just minimize that. Let's just assume that it's done for that step. And the next thing that we're gonna do is go for disk cleanup. In your start menu, type in disk, and you would have this app right here called disk cleanup. Then from here, you can select the disk that you want. In my case, it will be my main drive, so click OK. And now it's getting scanned, and as you can see, these are the files that you can clear right here. And I want to clear my recycle bin. As you can see, it's really big. It's 9 gigabytes. And yeah, I will clear everything right there. And I'm gonna go click OK and delete files. And now it's gonna start cleaning up my files right here for me. And yeah, all I have to do now is wait. And while this is loading, let's just assume that this is already finished because we have already done this step. And yeah, the next thing is that you can just manually search your files in your Windows Explorer, or you could go here into the start menu and go for install, remove, and add or remove programs. And you can remove programs right here, or uninstall programs that you don't really use right here. So that is basically how you do it right here. You can just do it right here. So that's basically it.